Windows and doors are, without doubt, some of the largest and most important purchases you'll make as a self-builder or renovator. In fact, the style, material, size and positioning of the windows and doors you choose can make or break the design of your home. Gone are the days when houses were more brick than glass. Modern homes are often more window than wall, thanks to our desire for natural light and a connection to the outdoors. Improved glazing technology in terms of strength, energy efficiency and thermal performance mean that larger, more expansive areas of glass can now be incorporated into the design of your home to create something truly eye-catching and individual. Windows and doors should not be an afterthought, but central to the design of your home. Almost everything you picture yourself doing in your new property, from morning coffee at your breakfast bar to dinner parties with friends, will benefit from natural daylight and a seamless connection to the outdoors. In fact, natural light has been proven to lift our mood, so getting your glazing right is central to your well-being. So how can you use glazing to stamp your identity on your home? If we start at the beginning, your front door is the first thing you or visitors will experience when entering your home, so it's crucial to get it right. By combining a contemporary timber or aluminium door with fixed glazed panels, whether that's either side of the door or above it in a double height entrance hall, you'll flood the entrance to your home with light and create a really welcoming space. As you don't need to incorporate an opening, you can be more innovative with the design of fixed glazing like this and create real wow factor. Unusually shaped glazing can really catch the eye and guide it to other interesting features, such as this stunning roof. Alongside your front door, the windows you choose will help create curb appeal and somewhere you're proud to call home. Whether you choose traditional timber finish or more contemporary aluminium or alu-clad design. Locate the largest windows in the rooms that will be used most during daylight hours and to take advantage of the best views. Then choose a combination of fixed, turn and tilt and flush casement designs. You'll have windows that work practically for every space. Think carefully about the placement of your windows too. Clerestory windows or a glazed gable can bring in light from above and allow it to penetrate deeper into the floor plan while also maintaining privacy. One of the most highly desirable features in modern homes is glazed doors. The development of super wide bifold and sliding door panes with minimal frames has been something of a game changer for maximising natural light in homes and connecting inside and out. These not only allow light to flood in, but enable you to interact more closely with your outdoor space. Choose doors and windows with slim sightlines to maximise your views and look to create a level threshold for a seamless transition between indoors and out. Pitched or flat roof lights are another great way to introduce light from above and are particularly well suited to single-storey extensions. And don't forget internal glazing. Glazed panels set into ceilings borrow light from floors above, and replacing internal walls with windows can create a through view so that the garden is the first thing you see when you set foot in your house. My favourite journey is looking out the window, said writer and artist Edward Gorey. And by investing in beautiful, well-designed glazed windows and doors for your renovation or self-build, you'll create a home you never want to leave.